The Cidoo V65 is a wired and Bluetooth-enabled VIA-compatible keyboard. Inside the box you get light diffusers for the switches, a braided USB-C cable, a keycap and a switch puller, and a hex key. The keycaps are made out of thick PBT and have crisp legends. The switches are linear, 47 grams. The stabs are plate-mounted, feel pretty good, and have minimal lube applied. The PCB supports screw-in stabs as well. The case is a hefty CNC aluminum. To open it, you need to remove the 4 silicone feet behind it to access the screws, and also remove the knob. The PCB is gasket mounted and has a daughter board, 3000 mAh battery, and it has a PC plate. The keyboard comes with pour-on plate and case foam, a PE PCB foam, and they all come pre-installed. The PCB is equipped with south-facing hot swap sockets that support 3 and 5-pin switches. The keyboard has a nice and balanced flex. Now let's check out the stock sound test.